Hare Krishna. So we are hearing about the glories of Tulsi Maharani. So what happens if a person just take darshan of Tulsi Maharani? You see, in India specifically, we can see that everywhere you find Tulsi Maharani, Tulsi plants. In traditional India, how do you find out that this house belongs to a Hindu, a person following Sanatan belief or not? You go and see if you find some Tulsi trees in front of this person's house, then you can understand, okay, this person is in the belief of Sanatan religion, Sanatan Dharma. But of course, nowadays everything is getting modernized and everything is getting far from devotional service, far from this culture of Vedic Dharma, Vedic religion, Vedas. Therefore, all these things are missing. We don't find much Tulsi Maharani in front of people's house. So, we are going to hear now that what happens just to have darshan of her in the morning. So, in the great Padma Puran, part 7, in that particular section called Kriya Yoga Sarkhanda, chapter 24, text 23, Vyasdev is going to speak to Jaimini Rishi. He is saying that Prabhate tulasim pasya bhakti manyo narottamah savishnu darshana sevo phalam prapnoti chakshayam. A person, bhakti manya narottamah, a person best amongst the human being, if he has devotion to Supreme Lord, he is the best among the Supreme Being. He is the best amongst the human being. And that person, if he takes darshan of Tulsi Maharani in the morning, then he attains the benefit of having darshan of Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vishnu. That means, if we take darshan of Vishnu, Supreme Lord Vishnu, whatever benefits and blessings we get, the same benefit, blessings we get just by having a darshan of Tulsi Maharani. So just imagine that if we have Tulsi Maharani in our house and every morning we just take darshan of her, what benefit and blessings we are going to get. So then what to speak of every day morning watering her and doing parikrama, circumambulation of her, and then offering her Tulsi leaves to Krishna's lotus feet with devotion, with sincerity. So what great benefit we are going to get. So see, bhakti is not such complex, not such hard and fast things are there. Simple things. Have Tulsi Maharani, worship her, chant on Tulsi, chant in front of Tulsi Maharani, offer her to Krishna with your love and devotion. That's all. Simple. Advaita Acharya, he called Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to descend in this world to deliver all of us with Ganga water and Tulsi leaf. That's all. Just that's all. He worshipped Madan Mohan, Madan Gopal on the bank of Ganges with Tulsi leaf and Ganges water. And the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he descended as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So see what a great benefit and blessing, spiritual credits we can get by worshipping Tulsi Maharani and just having darshan of her. So we request all of you to somehow or other try to have Tulsi Maharani in your house and try to worship her, take care of her nicely. Then she will give us the spiritual credit, benefit and devotional service to Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.